Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the Poco F3 GT versus Realme X7 Max device. So just today morning only I did receive the software update in the Realme X7 Max, and after receiving the software update, plenty of users I did get a lot of comments on the RAM management. So how is the speed test and how is the RAM management in this phone when compared with other phones? So right now I'll be focusing on the Poco F3 GT. Let's see whether the Poco F3 GT will be opening these applications and the games faster, or maybe the Realme X7 Max will open these applications and games faster. That is what I'm going to exactly focus in this video. So first let's start the basic test, which is a reboot test. So yes, so these are the 5 games and 5 applications, so which has been recommended by plenty of my subscribers, asking me to do this kind of combination, so not including all the games and not including all the applications. So just they did ask me this kind of just please can you include the 5 applications and 5 games only, and include the big games when you're trying to do this kind of speed test. So I did include the 3 big games, so Battlegrounds Mobile, Asphalt 9 and the Call of Duty. So let's see which phone will be able to open them faster, and both are 8GB RAM variants. Yes, 8GB RAM variants, and I'm trying to use the extended RAM capabilities, which is the virtual RAM in this phone, 8GB plus 5GB. That's the one thing you should know. Let me open the settings and show you exactly what kind of Wi-Fi connection right now I connected, because right now all these applications and games, they do require the Wi-Fi connection, so you should know which Wi-Fi I have connected at this moment. I'm connected to the same Wi-Fi network, which is a 2.4 GHz, as you can see, perfectly done. It's 2.4 GHz in both phones. So first let me try to clear everything. So clear everything from the background. Everything is completely clean, as you can see. So these are the 5 applications and 5 games which are selected in both phones. So this is going to be really very interesting and challenging, friends. So let's observe closely which phone can actually open faster, and let me just show you what is the RAM availability before starting the video between both phones. Try to remember exactly. As you can see, 5.2 GB of 8GB available, 4.16 GB of 8 plus 5GB is available in the Realme X7 Max device. Now let me try to go back. Yes. So now let's start with the first application, which is the Amazon application. Let me just slightly zoom it so you will be able to focus properly in these phones. So let's start with the first application, Amazon. So both are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So next is the Flipkart. Slightly faster in the Realme X7 Max, just a little bit, not much. No problem. Twitter slightly faster in the Realme X7 Max, as you can see, just a little bit. Instagram, just because of the app lock, that is the reason it took some time. But let's see with the Subway Surf. Let's see, and all these games are not added into the game space at all. And Subway Surf, let's see which phone can actually open this faster. And right now the first phone to open faster this Subway Surf is the Realme X7 Max. As you can see, Realme X7 Max did open this game faster, not bad. And let's move to the next application, which is a Temple Run. Let me slightly decrease the volume in both phones. Yeah. Temple Run 1, 2, 3. So slightly, I think the Realme X7 Max, maybe. Let's see which one will display the message first. Not bad, both are displaying same kind of message. Next is a Battlegrounds Mobile game, 1, 2, 3. Let's see Battlegrounds Mobile, which phone? So first the Poco F3 GT. Yes, the Poco F3 GT did open the Battlegrounds Mobile first. Then it took some time in the Realme X7 Max. So I'm not sure why it's kind of slightly delay. Still, I did not add any kind of game turbo or game boost, nothing at all. So I need to do another video by adding the game turbo and game boost to check so which phone can actually hold. So I'll let you do that videos as well with adding. So till now I did the speed test without adding into the game boost. So we need to know after adding the game boost how much it will come into an effect. That is what my point of making this video. Let's see. The Asphalt 9, which phone can actually open faster, and both are 8GB RAMs only. So even the virtual RAM 5GB will not be that kind of helpful. So first phone to load is a Poco F3 GT. Not bad. And next is a Call of Duty. So this is the final game. Let's see which phone can actually open faster. Both are kind of, I think, preparing at same time and loading at same time, I think so. First, Realme X7 Max, not bad. As you can see, the Realme X7 Max did show the message first in this phone. As you can see clearly, whereas the Poco F3 GT slightly, it did take some time, just a little bit. and we got the login page as well. That's perfect. So now we got the 5 applications and 5 games completely loaded in the background in both phones. So now we'll be able to see which phone has got how many applications and the games in the background memory. Let me go back to the main storage. Yes. Now, as you can see friends, everything from the Amazon application completely is open in both phones. Now let me just show you what is the RAM availability. That's another most important thing. So let's, in both phones 4.8 GB is available and 2.13 GB is available. So one thing is that in the Poco F3 GT, the RAM availability is not showing accurate. It's not at all accurate at all in this phone. That's a one thing. So maybe in the next update they might be able to fix it, but I don't think it will get fixed because this is not the problem in this phone. This is a problem in the MIUI itself. I did face these problems in the Mi11X device, Poco X3 Pro device, even the Mi11, which is the high-end phone. Even in this phone also I did face the problem. Not only I cannot blame this Poco F3 GT, but I'm just saying in all the phones of the Mi, same issues with the RAM management. It doesn't display properly at all. So maybe with the next update they need to change it. Let's start with the last Call of Duty game. No problem, both phones did open faster. Next is Asphalt 9. No issues. Next is a Battlegrounds mobile game. Let's see. No problem. Battlegrounds mobile also is in the RAM management. That's perfect. So next game, Temple Run. Not bad. So next is the Subway Surf. Where is the Subway Surf? Yes. Let's see the Subway Surf. So it's been 5 games are completely open in both phones. As you can see, friends, 5 games. No issues. Next is application. Let's start with the application, which is a Twitter. 1, 2, 3. Next, sorry, Instagram. Now I'm opening the Twitter. Sorry friends, sometimes I do get I forget sometimes. So now the Twitter, and next is Google Chrome. So let me open the Google Chrome. Yes, 1, 2, 3. So Google Chrome got reloaded in the Realme X7 Max, as you can see in the Google Chrome. In this Realme X7 Max, in the Poco F3 GT did not reload at all. So next is Flipkart. Let's see the Flipkart application, in which phone can actually keep in the background memory. Flipkart, no. Poco F3 GT did keep in the background memory. And final application is Amazon. So Amazon also is there in the background memory in the Poco F3 GT, not bad. So friends, in terms of the speed test as well, sometimes the Realme X7 Max was fast, sometimes the Poco F3 GT was fast. But in the RAM management, I did feel the Poco F3 GT has got slightly advantage in the RAM management because it was able to keep 5 games and 5 applications completely in the background. But there's another test, which is the extreme level RAM management. So I'll try to do that video as soon as possible, so stay tuned for those videos. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. And don't forget to check the playlist for more details about the both phones, which will be really helpful for you all. Meanwhile, bye.